Begin with an old t-shirt that's nice and flat on both sides, and take your ruler and lay it on the bottom of the t-shirt and mark just above the ruler, somewhere in the middle and somewhere towards the end of the shirt. Take the ruler, put it right above the first mark you made, and repeat the process. Once you have finished making your guidelines, you're going to start cutting to the other side of the shirt. Hold down the fabric behind the scissors to help you get a better line, but stop just before you get to the other side. As you can see in my picture, I continued cutting the rest of my rows, making sure I do not cut the entire side of the shirt on the right-hand side. Once you finish making all of your cuts, you can remove the top part of your shirt and open it up like in this picture, right where you can see the seam from the right-hand side. You are going to start by making an angular cut starting in the middle and going to the opposite side. Continue making angled cuts to the other side of the shirt so that when you are finished, you will have one continuous piece of yarn. The next part is extremely important to stretch out the fabric. You can use the sleeve of your shirt to pull the fabric through to stretch it and to make it into the t-shirt yarn. Once you are done, you can wrap it around your hand like here in the picture. Take it off your hand once you get it started and continue wrapping until you end up with a ball of yarn.